Are you ready to transform your body and mind? Lifting weights can be your ultimate game changer. Before you step into the gym, knowing how to start lifting weights is crucial to avoid injury and maximize gains. The gym can be intimidating with its array of equipment, but understanding the basics can make it less daunting. Here is a guide with all of the essentials to start your journey. First, let's break down some key terminology. Reps, sets, rest periods, load, volume, frequency, and more. Reps are the number of times you do an exercise before resting, while sets are groups of repetitions. Load refers to the amount of weight you lift, and volume is the total work done in a specific period. Frequency is how often you train each week, and your 1 repetition max is the most weight you can lift once. Compound exercises work multiple muscle groups, while isolation exercises target specific muscles. Intensity measures the difficulty of an exercise relative to your 1 repetition max, and hypertrophy is all about building muscle mass. You can use free weights, fixed resistance machines, or your own body weight for resistance training. Safety first. Start with lighter loads to master your form and avoid injuries. Stay hydrated, as dehydration can decrease performance and make you feel faint. Always warm up to increase blood flow and flexibility, and cool down to reduce muscle soreness. Focus on correct form to prevent injuries and ensure effective workouts. Rest days are essential to avoid overtraining and allow your muscles to recover. Progressive overload is key to making progress. Gradually increase the load, reps, or sets. Let's dive into 7 beginner exercises. Dumbbell bench press, bent over rows, dumbbell bicep curls, goblet squat, dumbbell lunges, tricep extensions, and resistance band pull-aparts. The dumbbell bench press builds muscle in your chest, triceps, and shoulders. Bent over rows activate both your upper and lower body, improving grip strength. Dumbbell bicep curls isolate the biceps and train each arm separately. Goblet squats are great for beginners and target your quadriceps effectively. Dumbbell lunges address muscular imbalances and activate your core and hip flexors. Tricep extensions promote elbow joint health and improve lockout strength. Resistance band pull-aparts are perfect for warm-ups and preventing injuries. Combine these exercises into a full-body workout to hit every muscle group. Lifting weights increases strength, lean muscle mass, and bone density. It also improves sleep quality, helping you get a better night's rest. Start with lighter loads, stay hydrated, warm up, focus on form, and take rest days. Use progressive overload to continue seeing improvements and avoid plateaus. Whether your goal is losing weight or building muscle, lifting weights can help you achieve it. You got this, Fit Fam. Let's lift and transform together.